All right, y'all. I have never made resin coasters, anything resin before in my life, but today is a day I'm going to try. I have watched lots of tutorial videos. I have done my due diligence. Let's start the process. Just to let you know, I did read online. It's good to have gloves. Also, resin is very, very toxic. So I do have a mask here. There we go. A respirator mask. I'm using New York scent micas because it's what I have right now. I did get glitter off of Amazon and also glitter from, none of these are paid ads or anything. Glitter from the Glitter Doctor. Also, then I got this pack off of Amazon with a lot of different glitters in here. I mix in 1:1 ratio. Ew, this stuff already smells nasty, y'all. You know what it smells like? It smells like you're going to the hair salon. They said you need to stir for 30 minutes, and some people say longer. Now there are bubbles collecting, so, which we don't want a ton of bubbles. So, oops, got some on my glove finger already. I have unusually small hands. I'm like 5'9.5", 5'10" height, and I have like hands of a small child. It's very weird. Okay. See, it's when I stir like this, going like that, in slow motions, it seems to be reducing the bubbles versus like vigorously like stirring. If you're not a member of the Sluts Facebook page, the makers community, I highly suggest joining. What an awesome community for all types of makers. And then I'm going to pour into different little Dixie cups here. Definitely going to do some kappas. If you don't know what micas are, they're this like beautiful shimmer pigment. So it depends, I guess, how diluted you really want it. That looks pretty concentrated. I'm really liking this. Okay, y'all, here we go. I don't know if that's a lot or a little. I just gotta pour it. Oh, yeah. Whoops, I think that was way too much, y'all. Guess what? We're going with it. If anything, this should make you be like, okay, I'll get up and try it. If I mess up, I mess up. Literally, what happens if I mess up? You know, big deal. I'm in my own house. You guys get to see it and you learn something. Okay, so that's nice and thick. It says pearl. We're going to see how pearl it really is. Okay, now let's just start pouring. Let's just go for this. Okay, these I'm going to put little dots in the middle because that's what I saw on TV. Guys, I think I might have already over poured. I don't know, I'm doing my own thing here because this is what I would like to see. Not that this is right. All right, so there we go. Okay, I think that's pretty successful so far, if it's what's supposed to happen. All right, I'm gonna do this around the edges. I don't know why I chose this color to go with it. Should have planned ahead because I do not like these two colors together, but I don't really care because I'm gonna have some fun. Okay, so here we go. I think I need to make more resin, guys. I think that is what I just learned. This last one is going to be a hodgepodge of a time. I'm telling you, I'm just so excited to see what this one looks like in the end, because it's going to look like crap. Okay, y'all. I need to mix some more resin because Mama done did pour enough. Pour and go for it. Let's start over here. All right, y'all, it's time to demold. It's been 24 hours. Okay, these don't feel gummy at all. They're actually really, okay, so this is the one that I ran out of the copper tone. Look at, they're pulling out beautifully though. Not very many bubbles as I can see, which is nice. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, that is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really impressed with myself. That is super cool. Okay, that's the first one. Here we go, second one. So this one I was starting to run out. So we got a lot of resin on this side. Remember, I had to mix some more. Okay, so here we are on this side, and here we are on that side. That's pretty cool too. These are, I mean, even if you mess up, they still come out great. That's, I guess, a cool part about resin. Okay, I'm super excited to see this. Look at all these. So when I put the resin, the clear over it, I kind of made sure I okay. Here we go. They're coming out very easy. I'm very happy with that. Okay, wow. Actually, I like that side a lot better. But there you go. There you have it. This one is a little... So far, it doesn't look like any of them need to be... Okay, this one I'm super stoked about too. This is the one that should probably be the best because we did... Well, except... Ew! Guys! I don't like it. I like this side a lot better. So, I'm digging these sides. I'm actually liking the clear the best. Isn't that crazy? There we go. Okay, but overall, pretty darn impressed with these. And they're... Gosh, that's super cool. I'm excited to start working on the next ones, to be completely honest. So, here we go.